Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to create oval shape using CSS. By the end of the video you will have this sort of output. The code is going to be very simple and easy to understand. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file. So it will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Give it a class oval. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select oval class. Margin will be 100 pixel and auto. Height will be 150 pixels. Width will be 300. Background color will be orange. Border radius will be 50%. Now pay a very close attention here. You can see the height is 150 and the width is double of it. So in case if I set height 50 pixels, then the width will be 100 pixels. That's all what you need to create a oval shape in CSS. Now save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.